Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show how you can get a domain name and a professional business email for your business. I always use namecheap.com because it's obviously cheap. And it's also very easy to use and beginner friendly. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by entering a desired name in this box here. So I'm going to use my own domain name that I've already brought for the sake of this video. So success with Jasleen dot. No, you don't put .com. You just put in your name that you want, all as one word, and it'll bring up some options that are available for you. So you can see that the .com that I've got is already gone. It's not available because that's mine. You can scroll down and there's all these other options. You can see the price here. It's quite cheap. £6 for the year for the .org. I would definitely recommend getting a .com or a .co.uk is even okay. But .com is the one that you want. You can see here the .co.uk is for £5 a year, and that's a one-off payment annually. So that's that, and you basically just add it to your cart. I've already added the .co.uk. You can view your cart here, and basically you just go ahead with your order. But obviously you're going to want a private email with that, and I'm going to show you how you can get that. So we're going to go over here to the top, and you can see this word here, email. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take you to this page here. So here we're going to buy our professional business email. Now, why do you need a professional business email, I hear you ask? Well, when you're going to be sending out emails to your customers and your clients, you do not want to be sending them from a Gmail or a Yahoo or any of those. It looks cheap, it looks tacky, and that's not how you guys are going to work as a business owner. You want to be professional, and you know, it looks a lot better with a domain name business email. So for example, mine is jas at successwithjasleen.com. So the people that I'm sending the emails out to know that it's coming from a business. So yours could be, for example, info at then your business name.com. It looks a lot more better than any of the others. And also when you're going to be setting up your autoresponder, that's what it asks for there. So here it brings you to this page, and then we're going to click on the free trial option here. It's free for the first 2 months. I would recommend you go with the free trial, obviously. I went with the pro. Um, and then obviously you can see all the features at the bottom here, what comes with them. And then once your trial's finished after 2 months, it's £20 a year, and that is really cheap. You've got the starter package and you've also got ultimate, but I've got the pro, which is the most popular. You can see it written there. And then basically you just get email and add it to your cart. And it tells you all the features that are, of a professional business email. And then if you go to the bottom of any page, there's a live, you get the option to chat live with a person. So if you've got any questions or any inquiries, you can always chat live with them. I know I did when I started, and they were really, really responsive and really good. So that's that. You just add what you want to your cart, in the top right hand here, and once you've purchased it, it'll just go straight to your email that you enter. And definitely add on SSL security for your domain name. You're going to need that to make sure it's secure and it doesn't get hacked or anything. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you what the private email looks like. So you go to privateemail.com, you enter that in your browser here at the top, and it should take you to a page where you can enter your details. And it's not letting me do it because I'm already logged in. But yeah, once you've entered your details, this is what your dashboard will look like. And that's pretty much it. So if you do want to go ahead and buy a domain, the link is in my bio below. If you got any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching.